In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search keywords in Semrush. The journey of exploring the right keywords might seem daunting at first, but Semrush makes it not only manageable, but also remarkably efficient. Our goal is to dive into the process seamlessly, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once you've got that open, type Semrush into the search bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted with a variety of search results, but you're going to want to click on the official Semrush website to embark on this keyword discovery adventure. Once you've landed on the site, if you have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new to Semrush, no worries at all. Setting up an account is straightforward. Just follow the sign-up prompts. Once you're in, we can move on to the fun part. Here, we'll make good use of the Keyword Magic tool. This tool is one of Semrush's standout features for anyone looking to enhance their keyword strategy effectively. Start by entering a broad keyword related to your niche or business into the tool's search bar. For instance, if you're in the business of online flower delivery, you might start with something simple like flower delivery. Once you have your broad keyword entered, the Keyword Magic tool works its magic, presenting an extensive list of related keywords. You'll notice the results accompanied by essential metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, which is often abbreviated as KD, and search intent. These metrics are vital in evaluating which keywords could yield the best results for your marketing efforts. To make sense of this comprehensive list, you'll want to apply some filters. Semrush allows you to narrow down keywords based on factors such as keyword difficulty, search volume, and even specific elements like search intent and competitive density. By applying these filters, you can focus on keywords that align more closely with your strategic goals, particularly those that show promising potential for growth or conversion. One of the most critical things to bear in mind, especially if you're just starting out, is to prioritize keywords that have a lower keyword difficulty score. Keywords with a lower KD score are generally easier to rank for, which can be incredibly advantageous if you're trying to carve out a space in a competitive market. As you become more familiar with Semrush, this process will become an essential part of your digital strategy toolkit, helping you pinpoint opportunities to enhance your visibility and reach. By following these steps, you'll soon find yourself adept at uncovering valuable keywords that can significantly impact your digital marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy keyword hunting with Semrush.